Welcome back to yet another episode of Smartwatch Unboxing. So today I have with me Honor Watch Magic. So this is a smartwatch that runs on custom OS from Honor and not the Google Wear OS. It's same like the Samsung Galaxy Watch that runs on its own dedicated Samsung OS. So let's find out what's in the box. So this is what the box looks like. Come on, gravity. Oh. Yes. So this is the first look. This is the watch. Let's see what the box has. So this one's the USB cable type C and also the charging cable, and this is the charging dock, and these are the manuals. I guess manual, yeah. This is the quick start guide and this is the warranty card. Yep. So let's turn this on now. So this is the power button, so you have to just press and hold to turn this on. Yep, it's on. So what I'll do is, I'll just quickly set this up and I'll get back to you. So this is a traditional looking premium quality design lightweight smartwatch with a 9.8 mm thickness. It's polished to perfection that adopts CNC machining and the latest laser engraving to boost durability, making it more suitable for daily use. The shell of the watch is made up of biodegradable nylon plastic. The strap is made of silicone but has a layer of Italian cowhide on the top. So now you don't have to worry about your sweat damaging the leather during your workouts. It's powered by a dual chipset and has a HD 1.2-inch AMOLED touchscreen. It also has functions like real-time heart rate monitor, workout modes like cycling, track recording, real-time display of distance, heart rate, speed, altitude, mountaineering, 3D distance, vertical velocity, altitude and pressure management, and swing posture recognition. It also tracks sleep habits with a true sleep that provides sleep quality scores based on analysis of your sleeping habits and breathing quality to help improve the quality of your sleep. It also has sensors like gravity sensor, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, optical heart rate sensor, pressure sensor and ambient light sensor. So this is the face of the watch, which is customizable. Now they were talking about the sports functions. So it has got this special exercise module in which there are courses. So this is the running course. Running course has some more options like run, walk, primary, fat burning and so on and so forth. And also it has got outdoor run, indoor run, outdoor walk, climb, outdoor cycling, indoor cycling, pool swimming, open water. So this is something new, open water. And this is a triathlon feature. So this should be, I guess, activated. Press down to next, I'll do it later. This is other. So here you can configure your own workouts. So these are the exercise modes. Then there is a exercise records. All your records will be saved here. So as of now it has nothing. This is the heart rate. This is the activity record. How many steps I did in a day. This one is this. This is the stopwatch if I have done so. And out of 12 times how much did I walk. So mainly it's of walking. So this is a sleep timer. So now I don't know why it's showing 1 hour 14 minutes. I guess it might be on the idle mode. So it's showing 1 hour 14 minutes. Target is 8 hours. So this is the barometer. Barometer is normally used while hiking or mountaineering. So this feature is useful there. So it displays all the information related to hiking, mountaineering and everything. This is the compass. Like we have to just rotate the device in the pattern 8. I'll just try it. Yeah, so this is the compass. We'll just show you the direction. So this one's the compass. This is the weather app. But yeah, again in this weather app you cannot customize or you cannot see the forecast. It only shows the current weather. These are the notifications, so all your calls and SMS, the regular notifications you will receive here. So the stopwatch, timer, alarm clock, flashlight, find my phone and settings. So yeah, this one is something interesting, flashlight. So what this does is, whenever I turn this on, it will just display a white light. So it's normally used when there is darkness. It actually doesn't work, but yeah, it's a good feature. But so this is turn on, this is turn off. In settings, so here you can customize your watch face. So we have 10 different skins. So this is the watch face. And then do not disturb, system and about. So system, again restart, power off, reset. These features are included here. I have to just press this button to go out. So whenever I am in something, whenever I am in the menu, suppose I am here, to go out just press this, it turns out. And this button, this button down, it's a quick action menu, like it directly lands you up in this workout modes. So you can choose anyone and start it. Oh shit. So that's all. So this has got a 178 milliampere hour battery that lasts up to a week. Also this has got high precision tracking with built-in GPS that supports 3 satellite positioning systems, that is the GPS, Galileo and GLONASS. Another thing apart from notifications for calls and SMS is that this also gives you notifications for upcoming hotel stays and flight information. But this information is provided by SmartCare, which is available only on the Huawei and Honor phones that are running EMUI 9.1 or later. Priced at 16,999 for a black color and 17,999 for a silver. This watch, in my opinion, is the refined craftsmanship from Honor. So those who are looking for premium looks as well as they have a tight budget, this watch is the best buy. However, I purchased this for 7,999 because there was a sale on Amazon. So you can check it out on Amazon or any other website which has the updated price. Now the main question. Is this really better than Apple Watch? So even if I consider Apple Watch 3, which was launched in September of 2017, it does come with some extra features which this Honor Watch Magic doesn't. Like apart from notifications for calls and SMS, you can reply to a message from Apple Watch. But this watch doesn't have this feature. So those out there looking for work, even when they are doing their workout, then Apple Watch is the option for them. Also, both the devices support heart rate monitoring. But Apple Watch 3 comes with a notification for irregular heart rate rhythm, which this watch doesn't. So here it's a personal choice. Third thing is the compatibility. Apple Watch is compatible only with iPhones. So if you are an Android user, then Apple Watch is not at all useful for you. But on the other hand, Honor Watch Magic is compatible with iOS as well as Android devices. Lastly, the price at which they are offered. Like I mentioned before, those looking for premium looks and have a really tight budget, then Honor Watch Magic is a clear win-win. End of the day, it's a game of personal choice and taste if budget is not at all a concern. So that's all with the Honor. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do hit the like and the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye.